integrate t squared times the fifth root of t cubed minus 1 dt. Now, for this integral, we can write it as t power 2 times into bracket t power 3 minus 1 all power 5 dt. Now, for this, if we let u equal to t power 3 minus 1, then du equals 3t squared dt. Since if we integrate 1, you get 0. Now, du on 3t squared equals dt. So we can write our integral as the integral t power 2 times u power 1 out of 5 times du on 3t squared. Since dt equals du on 3t squared, t squared will cancel t squared, and we have the integral u power 1 out of 5 du times 1 out of 3. If we integrate u power 1 out of 5, we have u power 6 out of 5 divided by 6 out of 5 times 1 out of 3. Then 6 out of 5 will turn upside down, so we have 1 out of 3 times 5 out of 6 times u is t cubed minus 1. So we put there t cubed minus 1 power 6 out of 5 plus c. That's the integral constant. So we have 1/3 of 5 out of 6 gives 5 out of 18 times t power 3 minus 1 power 6 out of 5 plus c. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, follow, and comment for us to build the mathematics community.